Hello, I want to take a moment to provide you with a brief overview of GreenLake. Let's face it, the way our customers acquire technology continues to change. The modern data center looks a bit different with the shift to the cloud and with both providers and customers looking to everything as a service. So much like planting trees, we need to plant the seeds now for changing our talk track on how we address the challenges and demands our customers are facing. One of the challenges that our customers face, especially in education, is the need to manage operating costs, planning, while continuing to drive digital transformation initiatives. Customers are looking for ways to limit over-provisioning, to reduce overhead and improve ROI, while also leaving flexibility for future growth or any unplanned changes. The best way to do this is to move from a traditional OpEx investment to a pay-as-you-go model. Sounds easy, right? Well, for customers that just looked at public cloud offerings, it wasn't. The challenge of public cloud offerings center around really cost control and data control. Students, teachers, admins, basically everyone needs access to their apps and their data. Those typically exist at the edge or on premise, while the cloud lives in the cloud, right? This is what we call data gravity. Managing this is not easy, especially if you need to provide performance while trying to avoid incurring costs for bringing data back on-prem. IT leaders also need to address concerns around which data can and can't be on the cloud, which introduces more risk of data loss or exposure. Now add to the fact that customers are looking at different procurement models for purchasing IT solutions. What we have here, though, is a massive opportunity in front of us to provide a better way for our customers to buy IT on their terms. This is where HPE GreenLake comes in, the cloud experience that exists on premise. GreenLake is a single platform for both cloud native or traditional applications and workloads, including compute, storage, composable resources, with the ability to pick and choose based on workload demands. It comes with a defined buffer for growth, so there's no more over provisioning, no more resource waste, and customers can view, manage, scale up, scale down all of their resources based on what they actually need through their own portal, giving them the cloud-like flexibility that they would expect. It all comes in a monthly pay-as-you-grow model. And with GreenLake, customers will have one support team for infrastructure setup, maintenance upgrades, support, and metering. So what does it all mean for your customers? Well, how about better capacity and resource planning, which ultimately leads to aligning IT spend with business goals and budget targets, while also simplifying the procurement process. GreenLake also helps IT teams deploy projects much faster, providing faster time to market, giving them a competitive edge. This also leads to more time and resources focused on continuing innovation, helping them become a strategic resource to the business. So what can you do to get the conversation started? Well, take a closer look at your customers that may have mentioned a cloud strategy in the near future, or anyone that's exploring infrastructure upgrades. You also may have customers that need help with managing staff resources, their budgets, or just looking to improve their procurement cycles. Here are 3 easy questions you can ask on your next customer call. These focus on helping you understand what the customer values and to see if they would be a fit for a deeper discussion on GreenLake. The one at the bottom is a great question to ask to help you get that meeting scheduled with one of our specialists to dive further into the discussion. That's all that I have for this session. I hope it was helpful and informative. As always, reach out to your HPE channel team for questions. Remember, we are here to help you do the heavy lifting, so bring us in and help us bring the cloud to your customers. Thank you.